Who among the following attacked the British residency in Koti during the 1857 revolt? Answer: Turebas Khan. Next question. By which two processes does glucose enter cells in the human body? Answer: diffusion. Next question. Match the following songs author. Jai Jai He Telangana. Author is Andasri. Ammoniva Nuvu Ayyoniva. Author is Goodanjaya. Bandinka Bandikatti. Author is Suddala Hanumantu. Amma Telanganama Akali Kekala Ganama. Author is Gaddar. So answer is A. Next question. The Stand Up India scheme has been extended till year. Answer is 2025. Next question. Who discovered electron? Answer is J.J. Thomson. Next question. In which state or union territory Ranthambore National Park is located? Answer is Rajasthan. Next question. The value that is obtained from a customer's positive word of mouth through which one can get additional customer is called? Answer: customer referral value. Next question. What is oil silk? Answer is thin film of oil in seawater. Next question. Which of the following is not an atmospheric hazard? Answer is epidemic in humans. Next question. In which year the UN Democracy Fund was founded? Answer is 2005.